All right, family, we back at it again. Okay, I'm gonna tell you what's going on. I have 320 gigabytes of storage. These people want me to pay, where's my steak? Oh, wants me to pay for a monthly storage fee. Yeah, I got 320 gigabytes. Every time I show them, I use 128 gigabytes of their stuff. But what about my own stuff that I got? You know, my own own storage space. So that's why I keep cutting off, because of what they're doing is trying to get me to pay for their stuff, to buy their stuff. And I ain't having it. Now I'm gonna cut myself up a little onion to go in here. A little red onion. Part 2 of my first time cooking outside. So we're going to piece this video together one way or the other. And y'all, this is actually my first meal today. This is my first meal for today. I need to get in, I'm going to use this here as a trash bag. Still kind of messing with the wind, still kind of messing with my little stove here. So let me see, I missed a call. That's a different person trying. I'm waiting for somebody else to call me today. I put this here can get me put back up. Season. Oh, I know what I didn't do. I have not put. Okay, where's my little knife? Oh. I gotta put the knife. I know I put it in a dress for. Oh, it's right here. Okay, put in a little butter, margarine. This is margarine mess. Whatever this is. Put a little of that in the skillet. Family, I don't know what kind of mosquitoes we got these days. These mosquitoes that we have today, they are strange. I put some off on, so that's why y'all don't see me over here fighting. I put off on. Let me see, y'all can't see my steak. And I'm gonna slice up some of this onion. Let's move this over here. Let's see, my chair in sight, yeah. This is one side of the look. Now this is going to be very, very tender. I can feel it. You know, cutting on it. It's going to be real tender. So it looks like I'm not going to be able to do my salad until like the last minute. Because the little visitors hanging around, they want to eat too. Well, I got these here French onions on here. French fried onions. I like those. I'm not going to cut up this onion here. This onion is going to be just saved for cooking. Let me pick up this little trash. Little piece of trash in my cap. Y'all, went to Lake Charles early this morning. got up and went put some stuff in the storage. Today may be the day that that the cabin store continue to work out. I found a contractor to work in my cabin for me. Needless to say, they're not cheap. You be down here in these little country towns, these people here charge you like they like you live in the city or something. They bid overpriced. Bid over, charge you too much. I had planned on for my nephew to do it, which really my brother said wasn't bad. I had planned for my nephew to do it, but since he's all over the place, going here and there, I have to do what I have to do. I want my home fixed up, and I'm ready. I'm ready to be able to settle in my home. So I had to just go on the outside and find someone else that I felt that get in here and get it done. And I got another video coming, but I have another surprise purchase, something that is much needed and much necessary. So I'll show y'all another video on that. And yeah, let me tell you, trying to get all this together it's costly. It's costly, So I found it, I did not realize it is. I'm gonna lower it down a little bit. Let's see. Yeah, I can't really tell. I don't want to. Yeah. I got it lower down a little bit. The wind is blowing the fire quite a bit. So, yep. Yeah, family. I'm spending out quite a bit of money. I had went to Home Depot last Saturday in Lafayette, Louisiana, and I bought my my flooring, the towel for the living room area and the towel for the bathroom, and I bought all the things that goes with that. And I want to say that cost me about $1,200, somewhere roughly in there. The receipt is in my purse, and I think it comes around $1,200. That's just for the flooring. I got ceramic, the one I showed earlier, the Ashley Amber, the ceramic. And I got ceramic tile because the manufacturing wood floors that looks really pretty good. It's something in with some wood floors that bothers my feet. That's why I just can't buy this. So I think it's beautiful, but I just can't, chance putting them toxins in my body. So I noticed that walking on the type of floors really bothers my feet a lot. So that's why I went with ceramic tile. I didn't really want to spend a lot of money on it, but for health reasons, I did, to make sure the floor is healthy. Because I like walking around bare feet. I really, really do. Even out here, I'll find myself walking around without shoes on. And yeah, family. Pretty tender. Pretty tender. So I have to really cover my salad up. If not, I'm going to have a little visitor. As soon as I put this food in here, the visitors start flying around and they be trying to land right on your plate when you're ready to eat. Here come a visitor. Woo. I don't have a gun small enough to shoot them. Let me give me a little bit more salad. Yeah, just a little bit more salad. So, wrapped and stuff. I like these green onions. I like green onions in my salad anyway. I mean, red onions in my salad. I like these couple of strips. Couple of strips in my salad. Get this out the way. Bugs, they know when you get ready to throw down on some good food. It's nice and cooked on the other side.